Hello everyone. I was in the process of disassembling an iMac Pro model A1312 to replace the hard drive. I should have started recording earlier on, but as you can see, I already removed the glass cover. But just to let you know how this works is that it hooks from the bottom, and this is magnetically connected. You can use a suction cup to remove it. Just pull it gently until it comes off, and then it pretty much snaps off very easily. What I used was a very thin screwdriver tip to carefully remove it, and that worked as well. After this point, you will need a T9 bit. I don't know if I could focus on that. You need a T9 bit to remove 1, 2, 3, 4 on one side and 4 on the other side. And once those screws are removed, the screen comes off from the top. You got to be very careful because there's some connections behind the screen that you have to carefully remove and disconnect. Let me go ahead and pause this and remove it from the top, and I'll start recording again. Okay, one of the things you can do is you can still use the screwdriver and then remove it carefully like that. Alright, comes off nicely. Same with this side, but you got to be careful because the screen can just drop. Let me pause for a moment. It's a little bit of a struggle, but once you do that, you got to connect some cables. With this being the first. Just pull it up and that disconnects. The next cables you have to disconnect would be the power source, which is basically right here. I have to stop recording because I need both hands. Okay. Just carefully pull down and that disconnects. The next thing you'd have to disconnect would be the video cable. This has some pretty strong adhesive on it. Just carefully pull it off. There you go. And you just pull this up. Okay, certain models have a clip in order to remove this cable. And certain models have 2 buttons you need to push on the sides. Once you push this, both of them down, you can pull it right out. And the best way to do this is once you remove the screen, kind of lean it up against yourself and using both hands to push both sides, and then pull it right out. There's one more cable right here. Just pull that right out. And the screen should come right off. Okay. Carefully set the screen somewhere safe. And there's your hard drive. That can easily be disconnected and replaced. At this point, I would highly recommend taking a vacuum, one of those portable vacuums, and just air this entire board out. You have a fan right there that can be aired out, and look at all the dust that's collected so far. And just clean this up pretty good. The next step would be remove these screws, remove these cables to say to drive. Okay. And that's it. Pop the hard drive out, put the new one in, connect it again, and put it back together. I hope you enjoyed this video. Take care, and I'll see you again.